So you're thinking about buying a brand new home, and you want to make sure you're in a community that's close to everything, a great locale. And how about a builder that has really flexible floor plans so you can really customize what you want? Maybe add an extra bedroom, maybe add a second floor, something like that. And how about some great views, like waterfront views and a larger lot, maybe some preserve views. And how about a 3-car garage? Got to have that as well. And I know, one more thing. How about no CDD with really low fees? That would be great. Well, what do I look like, a miracle worker? Well, actually today I am, because I'm going to show you a community that fits all of that. It fits the bill, and this is a special one. So come and join me as we take a tour of Cassata Lakes. Now, if this is your first time on our channel and you want to learn everything there is about Sarasota and the surrounding communities, make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell. This way you'll be able to find out when the new video hits and you'll learn everything there is to know about Sarasota. Hi, I'm Rob Rovnak, and I've lived in the area for over 30 years. I'm not only your Sarasota expert, but I'm also your Sarasota new home expert. So whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, make sure you reach out to us today. This way we can help you make a smooth move to sunny Sarasota. Welcome to Cassata Lakes, a truly unique neighborhood of great new homes without all those new home community fees. Located just 10 minutes from Nokomis Beach, you're also minutes to the quickly developing Laurel Road corridor that's becoming one of the hottest areas on our Suncoast, with easy access to I-75, Honore, and US 41, which drops right there into Sarasota. Just head south and you're into neighboring Venice. Head west and there's plenty of banks, shopping, restaurants off of Laurel and 41, and you're close to some fun and scenic waterfront restaurants. Cassata Lakes is perfect for those who want a terrific new home without the forever cost of expensive monthly amenities. It's a gated community of just 151 homes, so you get security and a beautiful neighborhood with lake and preserve views for just $114 a month and no CDD fees. MI Homes offers a variety of options with 11 different flexible floor plans to design your forever home. From open concepts to flex rooms, even 3-car garages in every home, you'll find a floor plan that's right for you. So we're starting off with the smallest floor plan here at Cassata Lakes. This is the Calusa model. And I love these floor plans because of the flexibility. So as you can see, we got paver walkway, paver drive, all that, 3-car garage. Hard to find these days. I love bumped up elevation. And here, as we take you in, this is a 4-3 as we see it, but I'll explain some more as we go inside. So a beautiful foyer here at MI Homes. And as I mentioned, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. And there's a flexibility here. So you can be starting at basically 2,200 square feet, all the way up to about 2,800, 2,900 square feet. You can put a second story on this, lots of flexibility. But this is, as shown here in the model, is a 1-story. Good size. Bedrooms. And as I mentioned, lots and lots of 3-car garage homes here. That's what I love about this new community. And as we go off to the side here, it's kind of its own suite. So you've got your 3-car garage coming in there, good sized laundry. Shown here as an office because I'm doing some sewing out of here, but this is going to be your 4th bedroom ensuite. So that one incorporates a beautiful guest suite for your guest or an older family member. But let me show you the upgrades here in this one. Really nice sized pantry off the hall here. And as I turn around, there is your beautiful kitchen. So like I said, there's a lot of floor plans here that can be where you can add on a second story, different possibilities here. Here is your view, standing at the sink. Beautiful countertops. Lots of great doors here, lots of sunlight I love this open wraparound porch. Very smart. Living area. I like these niches. All of these things can be added. There's your hurricane glass. Beautiful pool suite too. Beautiful. And there's a lot of lake and preserve lots available here as well. So here we are in the primary. I thought this was pretty impressive. Very good size. Primary bath with full shower and soaking tub. Got your throne room in there and a nice expansive primary closet. Lots of closetry there. So as shown, this is a 4.3, and as I mentioned, it starts at 2,200 square feet. You can add on. They do have some available right now at 700,000. So out the door, lot included, everything included at 700 here at Cassata Lakes. Let's go take a look at the next model. So here is the crystal floor plan, sales office here at MI, one of the mid-sized homes. This one starts off at 2,300 square feet, all the way up to 3,100. You can put on a second story and go from 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, all the way up to 5 bedrooms. You can really expand this, and I like the flexibility of this one too. Once again, 3-car garage. So the starting first floor plan is at 2,300 square feet. You can add a second story to it, build it all the way up to 3,100. But we're going to show you what we got on the first floor there. There's the door to your garage, but it can start off as a 3-bedroom all the way up to a 5-bedroom. So once again, all of these homes here at MI have that flexibility. Show you the basic closets they have here and the adjoining 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. And then right off here, set back. Once again, you can close that off if you'd like to make this into an ensuite. But some really beautiful backsplashes here at MI. Quality builder. And let me take you over here, right off the garage. Got your laundry and good use of the space under the staircase as well. Your little doggy bed. I like that staging. So across from that, beautiful den. Beautiful den office here, light and bright, across from the staircase. Once again, upgraded ceilings here, a lot of beautiful features here. Nice, great room. Really love the different cabinetry here at MI. Nice deep island, 4 chairs. So lots of space from there. Let me show you your pantry here. So once again, you see all these doors, 8-foot tall doors. You got your tandem microwave, stove, beautiful countertops. Here's a view from your sink. So if you're entertaining, talking to your guests, and then you have this little area for your dining nook. As you can see here, they've got a Florida kitchen. I love that half wall for the privacy. You've got it already built in, and a really nice deep lanai. I love those long lanais here. Under truss, spa and pool. That's beautiful. Show you some more. And these lots are available right now. Being a new community, you can get exactly what you want. Get a waterfront, get a preserve view. And let me take you in. You want to look here at the great room. And let me take you into the recessed back here, into the primary. So you've got lots of windows, 2 right here, 2 across the back. So lots of natural light. Here's your primary closet. Nice and deep. However you want to stage that, but you've got high ceilings, allow for that extra storage on top. Really beautiful backsplashes once again. Transom window, letting in that natural light. Really good counter space here, if you notice. The throne room, and then another linen closet. So I think you're seeing the quality here at MI. You're also, a lot of my customers love the fact sustainability. Very energy efficient. We're going to take you upstairs, show you what they have in the attics here. Fully insulated attics. So that really is nice. You got lots of sliders here. Really gives that Florida open feel. So let's head back here to the other bedroom here on the first floor. I love how these are kind of set apart. Here you go. Here's your third bedroom. Once again, more closetry. And then a full bath as well, all here on the first floor. So pricing wise, that's gonna vary here depending on the floor plan that you like, but gonna be in the 800s here. Beautiful staircase. I like that wood look. So right at the landing here, you can see got a beautiful upstairs living area. Once again, high ceilings and beautiful ceilings here for an upstairs. So a nice little game room, combined theater, whatever you like, but lots of natural light. Extra storage upstairs. Cannot beat that. I'm guessing this might be the HVAC. Set up nicely up there. Nice and clean, bright. I like to see that from builders. Well done. So up here as well, its own little suite, own little house up here. Got a beautiful suite. This would be a teenage girl or boy's dream here upstairs with their own little suite, desk, walk-in closet, and of course you got a full bath as well. Really good. So once again, flexibility is the key here. What you see here at MI, and I didn't see it quite. Oh, let me show you here. But these fully insulated attics. So you see that foam up there? That is a great peace of mind here in Florida. That's going to reduce your temperatures greatly, and it also is going to provide a little soundproofing too. Passing plane, loud sounds outside. So as I think we've shown, you're going to get a lot of flexibility, a lot of quality, and a lot of house for the money here at Cassata Lakes. Let's head on down. With oversized home lots, you have many great options to build a pool, and the flex rooms offer you options at every stage of life. From playrooms for the kids, home offices, craft rooms, or even workout rooms. Here's a quick look at their base pricing. But there will also be plenty of inventory homes at different times. So reach out to me directly to get up-to-date pricing so I can make sure you get your best deal. What I love about Cassata Lakes is it's a really growing location. Head east and you've got the A-rated Nokomis Elementary School. Nearby is a Publix Plaza with groceries, stores, and a restaurant. And right next door is Sarasota Memorial Hospital's brand new Venice location, with plenty of doctor's offices soon to follow, and along with a bunch of big box stores and additional retail being built along that Laurel Road corridor. Head west and you've got beautiful Casey Key, along with the beaches. Plus there's the over 1,000 acre Oscar Scheer State Park to explore. Or take a quick trip to downtown Venice to enjoy their many local stores, galleries, and restaurants. A truly quaint and walkable downtown. For the past few years, I've been hearing from customers who want to find their dream home, their forever home, without paying forever on CDD fees and those wasted HOA fees on amenities that they rarely use. So now here's your chance to get in on a gated community without those inflated fees. We're not only your Sarasota experts, we are your new home experts. Let us help you find and negotiate a great deal on a new home. Reach out to us today or schedule a free Zoom call. For Living and Buying in Sarasota, I'm Rob Rovnak. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.